So, you're trying to add a drop down menu to a GetResponse form, but it's not as straightforward as you'd expect. Maybe you want to collect specific responses, segment leads, or just make your form look more professional. Whatever the reason, I'll show you exactly how to do it, plus a smarter way to build forms with more flexibility, so stick around for that. First, log into your GetResponse account and go to Forms and AMP, pop-ups. Click Create Form, then choose the List Builder wizard. From here, you'll see various templates, but to keep things simple, select a plain form to customize it from scratch. Next thing, adding the actual drop-down menu. On the left, go to Custom Fields, then click Add Custom Field. Choose drop-down list from the options. Now, name your field, e.g., select your interest, and start adding the choices. This could be product categories, locations, or any options relevant to your audience. After setting up the choices, click Save and Add to Form. Then, place it wherever you need on your form. You can adjust the layout, font, and colors to match your brand. The fourth thing, form integration. Once your drop-down menu is in place, click Save and AMP, Publish. GetResponse gives you a few ways to embed it. You can grab the HTML code for your website, use the GetResponse hosted form link, or even integrate it with WordPress and other platforms. Now, while this works, GetResponse forms are limited. Customization can be frustrating, and advanced automation options are locked behind higher tier plans. If you need more control, better design flexibility, and easier automation, there are way better alternatives. I've linked an exclusive and extended free trial to a more powerful form builder that's better suited for capturing leads and segmenting them effectively. But if you're still considering GetResponse, I also included other great alternatives with free trials, so you can compare and find the best fit for your needs. Check the first link in the description for the best free trial and bonus features.